So I'm here this morning to talk about briefly climate change. I am a climate activist and environmentalist, and I can't leave this place without talking about climate change. But I want you guys to know that climate change is a global problem right now, like we all know. Do you all know climate change? Yeah, so climate change is a global problem, but it's on a large scale caused by plastic pollution. You're having plastic pollution on a large scale. You can even look at plastic pollution at the smallest level of the school. I recognize that we have poor methods of disposing of plastic here. We don't dispose of plastic bottles and cavera properly. And this is how we as students also contribute to climate change. So what can you do to make sure we mitigate climate change? So I would like to encourage us to make sure that we dispose of plastic waste properly. Make sure plastic goes to where it's supposed to go. Because plastic waste takes about 1,000 years to decompose. Meaning plastic, when it is disposed of even in the soil, it's going to take about 1,000 years to decompose. So it's affecting the soil standards, it's affecting the productivity of the soil. You know that agriculture is the backbone of Uganda's economy. So if we are degrading the soil and we are having low agricultural production, we are prone to having famine and drought in the country. This is all climate change. Some 8 billion pounds of plastic waste flows into oceans every year. And then 40% of plastic products are packaging plastics used once and then disposed of. And then less than a fifth of the plastics that are disposed of are recycled, but less than a fifth of which is recycled. So it's left into the oceans, it's left to the soils, it's left everywhere, and this is causing climate change. So a whopping 2 million plastic bags are used every minute worldwide. 2 million pounds of plastic are used every 1 minute in the world. And every minute of every day, a truckload of plastic is dumped into the ocean. All this plastic ends up affecting us in the long run. You might not see the effects right now, but I'm sure I'm feeling them right now. Because all of us have a role to play in mitigating climate change. We shall not be able to do anything about climate change. By 2030, if you don't do anything right now, it will be irreversible. And it will be worse. So we need to start right now. You as an individual have a role to play as far as mitigating climate change.